On September 10, 2025, Poland, a NATO member, shot down several Russian drones that had violated its airspace. This marked the first time since the Ukraine war began that a NATO country engaged directly with Russian forces. The incident has raised serious concerns among European allies about the United States' commitment to collective defense. Approximately 20 Russian drones crossed into Polish airspace during a large-scale assault on Ukraine. Poland's military, supported by NATO allies, responded swiftly, shooting down the intruding drones. The Polish government has firmly stated that the incursions were deliberate, not accidental, as suggested by some. President Donald Trump's public response to the drone incursion has been notably subdued. He suggested that the violations might have been accidental and refrained from condemning Russia or deploying U.S. forces. This stance contrasts sharply with the strong reactions from European leaders. European leaders, particularly in Poland, have expressed deep concern over the U.S. response. Prime Minister Donald Tusk emphasized that the drone incursions were deliberate acts of aggression, not mistakes. Poland has invoked NATO's Article 4, calling for consultations among allies due to perceived threats to its security. In response to the incursion, NATO has launched Operation Eastern Sentry, aimed at bolstering defenses along Europe's eastern flank. The operation includes deploying additional military assets, such as fighter jets and naval frigates from member countries like Denmark, France, Germany, and others. Amid escalating tensions, over 20,000 Poles have enlisted in voluntary military training programs this year, reflecting widespread concern about national security. Poland has also increased its defense spending to 4.7% of GDP, the highest in NATO. President Trump's response has raised questions about the United States' commitment to NATO. While the U.S. has reaffirmed its obligation to defend NATO territory, the lack of a strong public stance against Russia has unsettled European allies. The drone incursion into Polish airspace serves as a stark reminder of the evolving security challenges facing Europe. As NATO navigates these challenges, the unity and resolve of its members will be crucial in deterring further aggression and maintaining regional stability.